Pizza folds, not a stromboli, not a calzone, just some simple pizza dough folded over whatever ingredients I need to use up from our busy week. It's a simple Friday night dinner I love with an ice cold beer. Let's make some. Come Friday nights, I always have pizza dough ready to rock for pizza night, whether it's pizzas or strombolis, sometimes calzones or my pepperoni bread, but often we're making these pizza folds. It's an easy way to use up leftovers that we need to use from the week, whether it's pulled meats and cheeses or leftover meatballs, or more than often, we have a lot of leftover lunch meat or cold cuts, which is my personal favorite. I love having lunch meat all week long for simple lunches and then using the leftovers for this easy dinner. We simply stretch out some pizza dough. You don't need a lot since we're going personal size, and then they get a drizzle of our sizzle oil, some Blackstone Tutto Italiano seasoning. Then I go down with provolone cheese, some tavern ham, Genoa salami, and of course my favorite, spicy gabagool. Before these go into our pizza oven to cook, I drizzle the top with more of our sizzle oil. Before these go into our pizza oven, a drizzle over the top with more of our sizzle oil, a dusting of Parmesan cheese, and more of our Tutto Italiano. Then into the pizza oven these go. These turn for about 2 to 3 minutes or until as done as you like them. And for me personally, I like going for well done. I do not like a doughy pizza. Now you could cook more than one of these at a time since they are smaller and there's plenty of space in our pizza oven, but once they're done, I love cutting these either in half or into thirds, depending on how big or small I make them, and then serve them with arugula, some burrata cheese, or even fresh mozzarella slices or pearls, sometimes olives, pickled peppers, artichokes, all of the yummy antipasti that I always have on hand in the fridge. Then I simply unfold them and stuff them with as many goodies as I put out before digging into them. These are silly easy, fun to get creative with, making for endless possibilities, and another idea to add to your list for your next pizza night or pizza party.